Looking for the ultimate guide for managing subscriptions with Paymattic? You are in luck. In this video, we're going to look at all the things that you need to manage your subscription in Paymattic. It's not as hard as it sounds. Start off with your subscription form. This lets us head straight to the entries without any juggling. Here are all the entries for this specific form. You get a detailed view with all sorts of info. When was it submitted, method of payment, everything. Wrong submission? Just hit this, and it will be poof. If someone uses online methods like Stripe, PayPal, etc., the payment status will change automatically. Now, suppose someone paid you the old way, direct bank transfer. You have to manage it manually. See this one right here? I need to change the status of this. As you can see, its status is pending. Just hit this. Now from here, I can change the status to any of these. I'll change it to processing for now, as I have not received this payment yet. What do you do when someone wants a refund? Simple. Just change this to refunded. You can also add additional notes with this. On top of all these, you can change any status even if it was automatically assigned, and you can download or print any entry that you want. And there you have it, folks. That's how you take complete control of your subscriptions with Paymattic. Remember, a Paymattic Pro subscription is required to unlock this powerful feature, but the return on investment is undeniable.